Imagine two friends.
Same company, same position, same annual salary.
Every Friday, the exact same paycheck lands in both bank accounts.
On paper, they're living exactly the same life. Then one ordinary Tuesday changes everything. Both cars suddenly break down. Same mechanic, same repair bill. One pays immediately. The other freezes, wondering which bill has to wait. Same salary, completely different reality. So what separates them? It isn't luck. It isn't intelligence. It's one number most people ignore. Most people spend their lives chasing income. But income isn't the finish line. Think of income like water flowing into a bucket. Net worth is the water that actually stays. One bucket leaks. The other slowly fills over time. Every financially successful person crosses three invisible milestones. The first one changes your mindset forever. $100,000 in net worth. Not because you're rich, but because your money finally starts helping you. For the first time, you're not building wealth alone. Now something incredible begins to happen. Your money starts earning money. Imagine having another employee who never sleeps, never takes a vacation, and never asks for a raise. That's exactly what investing does. Slowly, almost invisibly, until one day, you realize your portfolio is growing faster than your savings alone ever could. That's the power of compounding. Small actions, repeated consistently, create extraordinary results. Then comes the second milestone, somewhere between $500,000 and $1 million. This is where money becomes a teammate. Bills stop feeling like disasters. They become minor inconveniences. But there's a trap waiting here. Lifestyle inflation. The more you earn, the easier it is to spend even more. Wealth isn't about looking rich. It's about having options. Finally, you reach the third milestone. This isn't about buying more things. It's about buying back your time. Imagine waking up without an alarm, having breakfast with the people you love, choosing what your day looks like. That's what financial freedom really means. It's never been about the money. It's about control. So don't compare your income. Compare your progress. Every dollar you keep today is another step toward tomorrow's freedom. Which milestone are you climbing toward? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more.